I've been using the CDL Prep app in 2025, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's the right tool to help you pass your commercial driver's license exam. The app offers a comprehensive question bank with over 3,000 state-specific questions, covering all major CDL categories, including general knowledge, air brakes, combination vehicles, hazardous materials, and more. It provides multiple study modes, such as full practice tests, topic-specific quizzes, and a correct mistakes mode, allowing you to focus on areas where you need improvement. Each question comes with detailed explanations, helping you understand the reasoning behind the correct answers. The user-friendly interface and offline access make it convenient to study anytime, anywhere. However, some users have reported that certain endorsement sections, like doubles/triples, may not align perfectly with the actual test content. Additionally, while the app is free to download, access to premium features requires a subscription, which may not be ideal for everyone. Despite these drawbacks, the app has received positive feedback from users who found it instrumental in passing their exams, with many noting that the practice questions closely resemble those on the actual test. In summary, the CDL Prep app in 2025 is a valuable resource for aspiring commercial drivers, offering a robust set of tools to aid in exam preparation. While it's not without its flaws, the app's comprehensive content and flexible study options make it a strong contender in the field of CDL test preparation. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.